talk about how can you find deleted account group on your money manager app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on more down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on accounts. When you just click on it here, so you just click here on accounts here, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on deleted account group, just click on it. Then here you will find all deleted accounts group. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.